Sometimes I don't even know if I'm doing dry shampoo the right way. This whole video is me trying multiple dry shampoos. Oh God, my hair. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video I have for you. It is day 4 of June 2019 box week. So today on the 4th day of box week, this is awkward. I'm going to be opening a subscription box. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you're like, this is awesome, you should subscribe. Click the red subscribe button. Join our little YouTube group, little YouTube family. Anybody can join, obviously, just click subscribe. If you're watching this video, you're like, I love this, and you're like already subscribed and everything, like click the thumbs up button, leave me a little comment, some feedback. Hopefully it's good feedback or constructive criticism. I think that's what they say when people say stuff that's like kind of mean, but they like are saying it in a nice character building way. Yeah, do that. So today we're going to be opening the Target Beauty Box. Target every month comes out with a monthly subscription box. It's not something you can subscribe to have it sent to you like every single month. It's just like first come first serve. But lately they've been doing better with having like a lot of boxes. It used to be like they'd release this and there's only like a few of them, and then like they'd be sold out before like anyone even like knew that Target even had a beauty box. Lately they've been having like the boxes like after the fact, and I think like after a while they'll end up selling them for like $5, something like that. This month they had one for men and for women, obviously because of Father's Day. I'm gonna be opening up the women's box. This one was $7. We'll be putting items into our stock pile giveaway, which is like really good this time. Like I was like, this is a really good giveaway growing. So as soon as this box is full, I'll post a video telling you how you can win that. So I took the plastic off of this already because like there was literally like a sticker like right on the front of it, so you wouldn't be able to see that it was like Target Beauty. Alright, so the sheet inside it says Jet Set Go. I never actually read this. Like, I'm always like, this is what it says, and then that's it. But on the back, they have a little coupon for 3 off a $15 beauty purchase. The tissue paper inside is a nice soft baby pink. Sounds like there's some stuff moving around in there that might not be hooked in properly. We're about to find out, though. All right, the first thing that we have is dry shampoo from Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Ooh. We're gonna try this today, right now. What is up with me and trying like dry shampoo and texture spray? I'm just like, I'm so weird. I always have to try it. I didn't even know that Tresemme had dry shampoo, but I like that it's volumizing. Not that I need more volume. Look at that. Look at that volume right there. Well, let's get this other side up. Let's get this other side woke up and volumized, because that just looks, I don't know, I just like it. Sometimes I don't even know if I'm doing dry shampoo the right way, but I'm doing it. Look at that. I feel like my hair looks super sexy now, like, girl, what's up? All right, the next thing that we have is Herbal Essence Dry Shampoo. What? More dry shampoo? Y'all, we're doing this today. We're getting up and we're getting messy today. We're trying multiple dry shampoos. I don't know what the problem is, but I always want to try dry shampoo now. Like I used to be like, years ago I was like, oh, dry shampoo, whatever. But now whenever I get one, I'm like, oh, I gotta try it. I always gotta try it. This is this whole video is me trying multiple dry shampoos. If I get another dry shampoo, my hair is going to be so clean. It's going to be ridiculous. Next time that we have is Viney Luxe Mini Duo Romantique 7-Day Wear. So this is like, it looks like it's a weekly polish and a weekly top coat. It's like a, oh God, my hair. Wow. Okay. Alright, I'll address it after the video. I don't know what I just did. But this is like a duo nail polish thing. You guys know that I can't paint my own nails, something I'm not blessed with the ability to do, so that'll be going into the giveaway box. Next time that we have is Pantene Intense Rescue Shots and Pooey. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. Oh, this is like a hair thing. What? After washing your hair with Pantene shampoo and conditioner, dispense the Pooey into your hand. Apply onto damp hair and massage from mid-length to ends. Oh, this is like a little spot shot treatment for your hair. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway box. I got a lot of hair masks. I don't know if I can get in with that. Like I already went crazy with the dry shampoo. I need to just limit myself. And finally we have Pixi T-Zone Peel Off Mask. This is a Pixi face mask. I don't know if we've ever gotten a Pixi face mask before. I actually saw that they had sheet masks a while ago. when I was like in Kansas City, but I'm gonna be putting this into the giveaway box as well. So to quickly recap, we got the Pixie Skin Treats T-Zone Peel Off Mask, which is a cute little thing here. That's going into our stockpile giveaway. We got the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots and Pooey that like treats and targets the split ends. That's going in the box because I just don't even know where to go with that. We got the Viney Luxe Mini Duo Romantic 7-Day Wear the Nail Polish and Top Coat. That's going in there too. And then we got the 2 different dry shampoos that I tried out in my hair. My hair smells very interesting right now. I probably shouldn't have done that, but I did it. So, there was Herbal Essence and Tresemme. So I put a lot of dry shampoo in my hair today. So it's gonna be nice and clean. Overall, I feel like this box was okay. I don't feel like this was like, I usually am like a huge fan of the Target boxes. I mean, I still like it. I think it was a $7 value, but I don't feel like it really had like much of a theme. I feel like it's weird that they gave out 2 dry shampoos. Like, that's just kind of weird. Like, why? Why not save one for a different month? I don't know. Like, I'm not trying to be a hater. I'm just, didn't really make sense why you wouldn't put in like maybe a different product and put one of those in like in a later month. Like, unless this is the month of like Drew really needs to get her hair life together, so we're sending her multiple dry shampoos to send a really subtle, awkward hint about what's going on up there. But, okay, that's just my thoughts and feedback. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow. There's a hair. I'm sorry. Tomorrow for day 5 of box week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Bye. Forever little YouTube crew family thingamajigger. Also, if you're watching this video and you're like, you know, I love this. Thumbs up. I mean, like, and then you're like, thumbs up.